Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, with the monthly time frame, I'm still expecting this to go up and make a wave Y, which is part of this three waves of W, three waves of X, and three waves of wave Y on the monthly time frame. So, heading down to the weekly time frame is where I think that this right here is a 1. I think this right here is very clearly three waves down for wave 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3, and if that's true, these higher time frames will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. Taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely been kind of pushing down a little bit the last few days, as you can see, but I still think this is likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, then this move down right here is going to be a crescent, and it will end up making probably a higher low and just continuing the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a lower high right here, so I would look at this as possibly being a wave A. I would definitely look at this as possibly being a wave B, and I think there's a very good likelihood that we are currently in a wave C. Definitely no signs that the wave C is over yet, but I would for sure be keeping an eye on these Fibonacci retracement levels for that, 3, 4, 5 same breaker structure that will help prove that this wave C really is completed. We are back into the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this right here is the wave A. I think the wave B ends right here. That would make this a wave 1 and a wave 2, and that means that we're most likely in a wave 3. So that means that if you do see a break of structure to the upside, that's probably just the end of a wave 3, which it doesn't even have to happen now. It could easily keep on drifting down. But if you do get a break to the upside, that's not the continuation of the uptrend most likely. Most likely it's a wave 4 and then probably back down again for a wave 5. If it bounces from this fib level, which it doesn't have to bounce here, it could easily go down to the 50% or lower that I was showing you on the 4 hour time frame. But if it does bounce from here, if it does go up and break structure after making that 3, 4, 5 shape, that's what's going to prove to me that this is the end of a wave C, and that's definitely what's going to get me to go long again and to start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.